For example, you might send joke to a short code and get a funny reply and a giggle in return. It works on every phone, uses technology you're already familiar with. So what kind of content gets delivered this way? Usually stuff like weather forecasts, sports scores, horoscopes maybe. This is all pretty typical. You know what? It does really well. It's growing 40% year over year. In Uganda alone, they send tens of millions of premium SMSs every month. Like I said, it works on every phone. Everybody already knows how to use it. But it could be a lot better. See, the problem right now is there's a high barrier of entry, so there's very few content providers. So what content is out there tends to be out of date, low quality. Sometimes it's just a complete ripoff. Bizito changes that. We want anybody to be able to create these services, not just the content providers. So if you have a mobile phone and you have a good idea, you can claim a keyword and start selling that content. How does it work? Simple. You just send an SMS starting with the word new, the keyword you want to claim, and the content you want to upload. From then on, we'll track all the requests to your keyword, and we'll pay you using mobile money. Probably the coolest thing here is Bizito is going to allow people to monetize expertise they already have. Maybe you're the one who knows where the best grocery deals are in town. Maybe you know where all the hot bands are playing every weekend. Now you can quickly create a keyword for those things and get paid for that content. There's a ton of people who want to find out this information that aren't being addressed. What we're doing is bringing the App Store model to SMS. Instead of a walled garden filled with fat cats getting rich off crummy content, we're going to let anybody play in this game, and that's going to change everything. One of the key parts is how we're going to treat the entrepreneurs. We're going to give them first-class tools to see how their keywords are doing, and even to see how other people's keywords are doing to encourage competition. So here's a view of an entrepreneur's dashboard. It's clear, simple, it's clean. You can see I have 3 posts. I have 525 views, and I can see how much money I've earned. You get a breakdown per day, per keyword of how your content is doing, so you know what to focus on or what you should market more on. The key here is we're trying to make things really simple, but really powerful as well. We're bringing the best information to light. We want this to be accessible to virtually anyone. So how does the rev share work? So keep in mind this is kind of worst case scenario using deals that we know we can get right now. But as it stands, we can pay entrepreneurs $0.015 per request coming to their shortcodes. We keep a penny for ourselves, and the rest we split among taxes and the outrageous carrier fees. We think this will get better over time as the carriers realize that our interests are aligned and that this market could be 10 times bigger than it is right now. Our status. So essentially the software is done. We're ready to launch in Rwanda and Uganda. We're just finishing up some business terms. We want to see how it works there first, tune the software a bit more, and then launch in Kenya and Tanzania. But we could use your help. We're super excited about Bizito, but what we're showing you today is just the tip of the iceberg. We have so many other cool ideas for it. We want to make Bizito a household name across Africa. If you want to help, we want to talk. There's a lot of people that are talking about how to integrate mobile money, how to sell things here, how to make people spend it. What we're talking about is how to make people earn this money using mobile money, and that's what makes us different. Thanks.